guys, it is May 11th, 2020. This one here, I got a call for a garbage disposal not working at a house. So it might be jammed up, it might be that it needs to be replaced. Older people that I know here. So we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. I have worked for them before, retired. They say they're not sick. Gonna have to put the mask on anyway. Give it the old mask treatment. Oh yeah, gonna be next level, y'all. Gonna be next level. It's almost bombed up. You got everything but the kitchen sink in here. There's a key on the bottom. I think this one has it. Nope, this one don't have it. Corona.
Well, we can get through 2 world wars, so maybe we can get through this.
I think so. Yeah, we freed it up.
Is it having a horrible effect on your business?
Huh?
Is it having a horrible effect on your business?
Ooh, got something going on in there. What'd you throw it down in there? Some kind of metal or something. What are you throwing in there? Your rings? Looks like banana peels or something. Banana stuff. I don't know. Let's see if it works. Ooh. There's something going on in there. Get some. What are you throwing in there, Mama? Some kind of metal. It's like metal chunks in there. That's metal. I don't know what that's from.
But you got it?
Yeah, I got it working. Looks like some kind of plants. You throwing your plants down there? They're giving you problems?
I don't think so.
Is that what you do with your plants if they're not growing? You throw them down the sink? I think that might work now. Yeah, it spins one way one time, and then the next time it spins the other way.
That's correct, isn't it?
Let's see if you can see it. Spin one way. That's counterclockwise. And that's clockwise. And that's counterclockwise. Alright, I think it's going to work.
Let's do it hard.
I should be like all these other guys, sell you a brand new unit. No?
I'll do whatever you say.
Hey, where'd you get the whining sign? No whining.
Isn't that a goodie?
I like that one. I get one of them mailed to my ex-wife.
I like the X part. Tom, we've got the sainthood here.
Alright guys, I just left that garbage disposal job. That one's a KitchenAid, and most disposals have like an Allen key right in the very bottom of it where you can put a wrench in and move it. But that one didn't have it, so I had to put my basin wrench down inside. There was a nut there I could grab and spin it. That was a 3/4 horse KitchenAid, that one there. So I freed it up. I mean, it's working. So we'll let it go for now. If it binds up again, I'll have to get him a new one. But it was a little piece of metal that was stuck in there that was jamming it up. I don't know what that was about. So we freed it up, give him a bill, and get on to the next job. We'll give him a bill, Mama. Give him a bill, Miss Molly. Miss Molly. We'll give him a bill, Miss Molly. You want to drive? You want to drive? You love driving. Yeah, you love driving. I know you love driving. You love driving. Look here, Leo. How you doing, Mama? Leo, how you doing?